There is always this question that people keep asking, can I change or upgrade my RAM? And the answer is yes, you can. To check if you can add or change your RAM, as you can see in the screen, my RAM size is 4 gig. So to check if there is more space to add another RAM or replace the RAM with a bigger size, right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. As it opens this page, click on the Performance tab. Now click on Memory, and this is the RAM size, and which is 4 gig, and the type is DDR3. And below are the number of RAM slots available on your machine. Mine is having 1 slot, which I can only upgrade by changing it totally. But if yours is 1 of 2 or 1 of 4, meaning there are more slots which you can add an additional RAM. Thanks. That is it for today. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.